Welcome everyone. I want to take just a moment or two to show you how to create header text in Canvas and why that is important. You can see that I have three paragraphs here of just generic text, and each of them is headed up by a header right here. This is heading 2, and then heading 3, and then heading 4 right here. It can be tempting if you have something to serve as a title, like this header right here, that you just highlight this and then make that bold, or change the font size right here, or change it so that it's highlighted with some color. And those can be quick fixes, but they can be very difficult for students who might have a vision issue. It can be difficult for them to read. So let me show you a little bit better way to go about setting off that text. So if I highlight heading 2 right here, if I click the drop down for paragraph, I can select heading 2. And then heading 3, I can do the same thing. I can left click, hold down and drag, and then I can select the option right here, heading 3. And I can do the same thing for heading 4. Each of these is designed to be a header and obviously hierarchical, showing lesser importance. So heading 2 is more important than 3, and 3 is more important than 4. And so let me save this, and then we can take a look at that and we can see what it looks like. So this is what a student would see. Notice you can see the heading 2 right here, and then heading 3, and then heading 4. Obviously, again, heading 2 is going to stick out much more than heading 3 or heading 4. But these are a great way to set off important information, to let someone know that this is an important fact or background information or whatever the case may be. And it also allows those students who might have a vision issue to easily use a screen reader to show that that text is important. So using the heading levels in Canvas is an important feature. Hopefully that will help you as you set up your courses, and any place you use the rich content editor, this can be a tool that you use. If you have any questions, please let me know.